Sure, that questions with trigonometric identity, a fan favorite on my page it seems. This one caught my eye because when I looked at the first part, I didn't think it was too difficult, but attempting to link it to the second didn't quite come to me. So I thought, okay, let's just solve it and find out. The first part is not hard. You just have to use the double angle formula and then turn it into their respective equations, which is sine A cos B. Yeah, it was sine x cos 60 minus cos x sine 60. That is for the left hand side, and then for the right hand side it would just be cos x cos 30 plus sine x sine 30. If you turn the sine 60 and the cos 30 into their number forms, you will get a certain fraction of sine x and a certain fraction of cos x. You can bring all the sine x's on one side and all the cos x's on the other side. The half cancels out and you get 3 root 3 is tan x. No problem whatsoever. The second part I spent a good minute trying to connect it with the first, but it just didn't come to me. So in a situation like this where it says hence, 99% of the time you can use the first part to solve the second. But here I'll say, if it doesn't come to you naturally, just solve as usual, because wasting time trying to connect the dots may not be that practical. In my case, it was much better that I just solved as usual because the rearrangement part didn't take that very long, and to be honest, it felt very similar to the first one anyway, so it didn't take long at all. Rearranging in the same way, I got tan 2 theta was root 3 over 5, giving me an angle of 19.106. This is in the range of 0 to 180 because I have 2 theta, I had to increase the range by 2, making it 0 to 360. Solving it in this range, I get another answer of 199.106, and that was pretty much the only other one. I divided the answers by 2 to get 9.6 and 99.6, which was correct. I checked the mark scheme afterwards because I was a bit curious, and the way you connect A and B is that you make x equal to 2 theta plus 60, which again, if it comes naturally, great, but sometimes it is much faster to solve it the way you know rather than scrambling your brain for something that's not so evident.